Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGiantX. The roar of the saw, the crack of timber. This is craftsmanship in action. Every moment counts as we dive into the world of precision and power. Get ready for an exciting journey into the art of woodwork. Let's go. But wait, what's happening here? Flames licking the base of the tree, and yet he decides to go for it. Whoa, why cut it now? Someone help me out. What's the reasoning behind this daring move? This is intense. This is a risky move. One wrong cut, and we might be looking at a fiery disaster. The tension is palpable.
Both piping them.
Now, behold the NTB wood sawing system, a technological marvel straight out of Japan. With pre-log registration and twin-band saw technology, this baby processes logs faster than you can imagine. 18.5 seconds per log? No joke. Whoa! That's one massive takedown. I was on the edge of my seat, thinking those heavyweights were going to topple any second. Glad everything's intact. Yanking a tree stump with a truck? Now that's what I call commitment. But hold up, one wrong move, and that cable could turn into a deadly whip. Watch yourself, DIY warriors. This is not for the faint of heart. The Komatsu 931 is a beast. Just look at how it handles those slopes with ease. Harvesting timber has never looked so smooth, like a walk in the park. Anyone else think this machine deserves a medal? Oh my God! My worst nightmare almost came true right there. Thank goodness no one was hurt. Now this is what happens when you bring in the big guns. The AHWI RT 800 is a 630 horsepower beast. That Stump didn't stand a chance. Power and precision in perfect harmony. The MEBORSDH chainsaw line is a true game changer in the wood industry. Handling logs up to 450 millimeters in diameter, it cranks out an astounding 300 cubic meters of wood in just 8 hours. Imagine the productivity boost, precision, power, and speed, all packed into one incredible machine. For any modern wood mill, this is the tool that takes efficiency to the next level. Prontitu. Precision is key here, folks. One wrong move could set this precarious tree loose, and the consequences would be disastrous. Only a pro arborist can handle something this risky. They make it look easy, but trust me, it's anything but. Now this is chainsaw power. V8 engines roaring, blades slicing through wood like butter. It's the most exciting thing you'll see all day. There's something majestic about this. A 1973 Kenworth logging truck, carving through the snowy expanse like a masterpiece of engineering. Old-school craftsmanship at its finest, this truck is a living legend. The Logmax 6000B is the true powerhouse of the forestry world, quietly dominating the field. Its advanced hydraulic system and rugged design make it a force to be reckoned with, built for maximum productivity and unwavering reliability. This machine isn't just efficient, it's unstoppable, handling the toughest jobs with ease and redefining what it means to work smart in the woods. Using the drum cutter MBR 900 on a stump, it's like bringing a bazooka to a knife fight. Total overkill, but wow, is it fun to watch. This machine makes stump removal look effortless. The air is tense. One brave lumberjack stands tall against nature's giants, poised for a battle of man versus tree. As his chainsaw hums and the mighty tree topples in slow motion, it's not just a job, it's a heart-stopping dance with danger. The flames rage, and time is running out. Brave firefighters risk everything, racing against the fire's relentless hunger. Watch in awe as they cut through the burning landscape, turning chaos into control with every strike, every tree, saving lives and land alike. Feel the earth tremble beneath the Tiger Cat 2000, a mechanical beast that takes timber harvesting to new heights. As it grips and slices through wood with unparalleled efficiency, it's clear this isn't just a machine, it's a game changer. Nothing is more stubborn than nature's roots. But today, that changes. The ground quakes as this monstrous excavator roars to life, snapping up stumps like twigs. Each chomp is a victory, a reminder that even the toughest challenges can be conquered. You can feel the tension in the air as this lumberjack tackles a massive redwood with his trusty Husqvarna 371 XP. The saw slices through the ancient tree like butter. It's not just cutting wood, it's cutting through time itself. The sound alone sends shivers down your spine. In a scene straight out of a myth, two magnificent Brabant mares, Eve and Holly, take center stage. Watch as they pull a 2-ton truck through thick snow, their raw power on full display. With each step, they rewrite the limits of what's possible. The Vermeer SC1052 roars to life, and in seconds, what was once a stubborn stump is nothing but mulch. This isn't just a machine, it's a force of nature, redefining what's possible in land clearing. Efficiency, precision, and raw power. This is the future of forestry. A flicker of danger. No chaps, no helmet, no ear protection. This logger walks a thin line between bravery and recklessness. It's a hair-raising moment that reminds us all, one wrong move, and the consequences could be deadly. The snow is relentless, the wind howling, But the Tatra Phoenix doesn't flinch. With its V-plow slicing through the snowdrifts, it forges a path where none existed. It's more than a truck, it's a warrior. And today, it claims victory over winter's fiercest elements. Listen closely. The growl of the Carlton SP7015 grinder echoes through the forest. And then, in a split second, the stump disappears. This turbocharged monster devours everything in its path. There's no stopping it, only admiring its sheer dominance. As the Posh Leads peeler gets to work, raw timber is transformed into a perfect, smooth finish. It's almost hypnotic watching the logs roll through this engineering marvel. Speed, precision, and elegance collide in a process that's as beautiful as it is powerful. Imagine clearing 40 acres in a single day. That's exactly what the Savannah Model 1720 does, effortlessly. Watching it in action is like watching a symphony, where each movement is perfectly synchronized to maximize efficiency and leave the land transformed. The Unimog U2400 charges forward, unstoppable, tearing through the rugged wilderness like it's a Sunday drive. Whether it's deep snow or jagged rocks, nothing can slow it down. It's a force to be reckoned with, a true beast of the road and the wild. One last battle. The LKT-81 Turbo stands on the edge, its powerful engines pushing against nature itself. It's man versus wilderness, and the stakes are higher than ever. Will it prevail? One thing is clear. This is a showdown you won't want to miss. Look at this enormous pine tree standing tall. It's about to meet its match. Every move from our logger is carefully calculated, from the first cut to the final fall. The sawdust flies, the trunk sways, and then, boom, it hits the ground, with a thunderous impact. One wrong move, and the consequences could be catastrophic. Will it all go as planned? Now, meet the Komatsu 931XC, a machine built to conquer nature. With 255 horsepower, this harvester doesn't just cut, it dominates. The 180-degree rotating cab gives the operator full control, ensuring no log is out of reach. Watch as this mechanical beast turns dense forests into manageable loads, all while preserving the environment. Its productivity and sustainability rolled into one. Watch as the Premier Attachment's root auger makes quick work of even the most stubborn stumps. Gone are the days of breaking your back. This machine spins into the earth, yanking out roots in seconds. Safe, efficient, and cost-effective. It's a game changer. Can you hear the sound of victory? Steel MS661 versus MS500i. It's the heavyweight showdown of chainsaws. Both machines roar to life, racing to slice through massive timber. Which will come out on top? The tension builds with every rev. Will power or precision claim victory? Place your bets in the comments below. Cutting trees is just the beginning. Moving them is the real challenge, but the Massey 600 and D5 tractor are the ultimate team. Together, they tackle the toughest terrain, lifting massive logs like they're weightless. This is the kind of muscle you need in the world of logging. Watch and be amazed. The Peterson 5710C doesn't mess around. With its 150 horsepower Cat engine, it chews through logs like candy. Remote controls give the operator precision and power, ensuring no log stands a chance. It's more than a grinder. It's the future of logging. Can you feel the earth shake? When roots and stumps stand in your way, the Cat 323 excavator is the answer. Its 172 horsepower engine tears through obstacles with ease, leaving nothing behind but freshly cleared ground. This machine doesn't just dig, it conquers. Check out its power in action and marvel at the precision of its operator. Meet the RSLUK Tree Shear, a machine that grips and slices through even the toughest trees. Its full 360-degree rotation gives it unrivaled precision, making every cut smooth and efficient. If you thought cutting hardwoods was hard, think again. The RSLUK makes it look easy. Just watch. Why waste time and energy battling stumps? The TWF 180 mulcher crushes tree roots into mulch, ready to nourish the soil and regenerate the forest. Sustainable and efficient, this machine leaves the land healthier than before. Ready for the future of forestry? Watch it work. Meet the Jobo WP50 woodpecker, a game-changer for small-scale forestry. It effortlessly tackles delimbing and firewood production while sipping minimal oil. Compatible with older tractors, it revitalizes aging equipment, proving that big results can come in small packages. Watch it in action. Mulching stumps back into the earth. Sounds simple, right? Not until you see the AHWI Raptor 800 in action. This machine not only clears land, but also helps restore the soil, leaving forests healthier and more sustainable. It's nature and technology working together. Watch it pave the way for the future. Meet the Scania R770V8, the king of timber transport. With its impressive 34-meter length, it hauls more wood in one trip than you'd ever believe possible. Reducing trips by 30%, this beast changes the game. Want to see efficiency in motion? Watch the R770 in action. Who says you need big machines to get the job done? This DIY wood splitter is a marvel of human ingenuity. Running at 1500 RPM, It splits even the hardest logs with precision. Powered by a 3-kilowatt motor, it's proof that with the right tools, anyone can conquer nature's challenges.
Because that's how we're going to solve it. That's all there's to it.
For over 50 years, this colossal saw has been a logging legend. Watch as it slices through a 14-ton tree like it's nothing. The size, the power, the precision. It's a sight to behold. Respect for the machine, respect for the craft, and respect for the forest. What you've seen today is just the beginning. From cutting-edge machines to sustainable logging practices, the future of forestry is bright. Every tree tells a story, and every machine helps us shape that story. Subscribe for more extreme logging action, and stay tuned for what's next.